guys, today we are here for talk about sneakers. Mamma mia guys, welcome back again on my channel. If you don't know, I'm HumbleLabelGang, and today I have with me these beautiful sneakers, these amazing sneakers, the Yeezy 700 V3 Kyanite. I remember, I remember. The Yeezy 700 V3 Kyanite. Guys, this shoes was released for the normal retail price of 200 bucks. I bought for 227, 230. I don't really remember because I paid, of course, the tax. I'm in New York, that's why. But I really don't care because I really love these shoes. It's full of detail. I'm gonna show you right now with a beautiful 350 view. Mamma mia guys, I give you 350 view straight of this dope Yeezy 700 Kyanite. If you don't know what it means, Kyanite is the name of one crystal, and this crystal have the same color that the Kanye West decided to design from the shoe. As you can see, in the middle is blue and end with this aquamarine colorway, and you can see straight in the middle 1, 2, 3 line that means Adidas, and Adidas have the same logo on the back, as you can see, and even inside the shoes there is right Adidas and Yeezys. Beautiful. This shoes is reflective, as you can see here, and all this part even fluo because the shoes come reflective. So beautiful, yeah. This outsole, guys, is really beautiful. I really love this contrast between all these colors. It's really interesting, but I need to say the truth, these 700 don't have the boost, the material that you see like always in all the Yeezy. This is the boost, but anyway, it's really special, and this gum is really soft and beautiful. It's the first time that I see this gum on the Yeezys. Very nice. These shoes is so soft and so comfortable, and the laces is really nice too. You don't need to tie, you can put your feet straight inside. It's very easy, very simple. It's cheap. It's like 30-40 bucks extra of the normal retail price. So if you really want, go right now, because I think these shoes until 1 week, 2 weeks is gonna go really high. So get it right now if you're in the shoes, because it's really beautiful. It's full of detail. I showed you before the reflective, the light in front, all this blue, the aquamarine colorway, the white, the outsole. Guys, this is a nice shoes. We need to be honest with ourselves. I know that sometimes the Yeezys are noisy. It's like boring, like 350 is boring, but the 700, guys, is really dope. Is new. The sizing, guys, I suggest you, like any single Yeezy, you go half size up for be sure, just to be sure that is going good 100%, because sometimes on my personal things. My true sides sometimes is very tight, so I cannot walk. So I put always half sides up like that. I'm going sure that the shoes is my 100%. Guys, thank you like always, guys, to support, watch my video like always, and if you can, please subscribe. It's always free. I don't charge nobody, fortunately. So subscribe. You can just help myself to grow just a little bit. Put a big like or two if you want. Comment it below because I wanna know what you think about these shoes. If for you it's cop or drop, of course I think it's cop. I give a rating between 1 to 10 and 8, guys. 8 because I really love these shoes. I will really use a lot, I think. Anyway, comment it below, subscribe again, and see you soon in a new video.